Welcome to the Ingles table. It's Cubano sandwich time, and we're going to show you how to make this unique and mouth-watering favorite and bring it to your kitchen table.
First up, we're going to show you how we make it. I've got a rotisserie pork loin that I picked up at the Ingles Deli, right in the same area where they have the rotisserie chickens. This is a time saver. Instead of having to buy a pork loin and roast it, we're going to start with it already. I'm going to slice it into medallions.
And what we're going to do to add that Cuban flair, did you know that Ingles has got this great international aisle where they have products from all around the world? Well, I bought something on that aisle. It's called a Mojo Marinade. And what we'll do is dress the warm pork with this. So if you put that in the bowl, Clark, I'll put some of our dressing on. So you'd like to leave it in significant sized chunks. This is a really two-handed sandwich that translates great to lunch or dinner. So if you put a little bit more in there for me.
You got it?
Ooh, I'll try not to dress your hand, okay?
There we go.
All right, how about that? Now just give that a little stir.
So we're gonna build a sandwich. We're gonna make it today in our panini press. If you don't have one of these, you can certainly do it on your stovetop in a cast iron pan and use a grill press or another heavy skillet to weight the sandwich down to press it. Okay, so we're gonna build this sandwich. We're gonna start with a little bit of mayonnaise on the bottom.
That looks great. Now let's go in with the mojo.
Next, we're gonna put in our roasted pork.
All right, I'm gonna let you get your fingers messy. So how about you do both?
They were already messy, so I'll go ahead and keep on going.
All right, keep going with that. So that's the first one. Next, we've got some thinly shaved deli ham.
And that is Tavern ham. I just went to the deli counter and asked them to thinly slice, almost shave us some ham.
So put
And
that
on top of that, we're gonna put some deli pickles. These are deli dill pickles. You can buy these in a tub in your deli area.
These are the same pickles that they use in the Ingles sub shop. So you know they are really good and crisp. They have those cool ridges on them, so they've got extra texture. So when you bite into that sandwich, it's gonna give you some good acidity and some good crunch because this is a pretty rich sandwich. We have two kinds of pork.
All right, she's gonna put yellow mustard on the top. I'm gonna put Swiss cheese
Excuse me while
on
I
these
squirt.
sandwiches. We're gonna close this up.
I'm gonna try. Now, here comes the fun part.
This press is preheated. It's got a heating element on the top and the bottom.
But if you don't have one of these, don't fear, you can still make this sandwich. Heck, I've even heard about people making these in the oven. Have you heard about that too, Clark?
Most definitely. All right, now this is the fun part, keeping them together until you get the lid shut.
You can do it, I have faith in you.
And then I'm just gonna press this down.
Ooh,
You hear that sizzle?
Listen to that go.
This is gonna cook for probably 5 to 7 minutes until that bread gets nice and caramelized, that pork gets heated through, and that cheese is just melty and golden all over the sandwich. We'll come back and show you what it looks like after it finishes cooking. Okay, it's smelling like sandwich in here. Let's take a look and see what we got.
Oh my goodness.
Man, that's GBD, golden brown and delicious.
Look at that cheese just oozing out.
That sandwich press really gets it from the top and the bottom.
The bread got so nice and toasted, it's so golden brown. Yum. Let's bring these over here. Now, I like to slice these on the diagonal. These are super duper hot, so I might just, what do you think? Should I wait?
If you cut it now, it's gonna slide all around. It really needs to set for a minute, but just go ahead and show them how you cut it. We got to, it'll be all right.
All right. Oh, do you hear that crunch?
Man, I can't wait to eat that.
Look at that. The cheese is just oozing out. You can see the rotisserie pork sauced with that mojo seasoning.
A little bit of yellow mustard, you can see the pickle. That's gonna be one tasty, crunchy sandwich.
Thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table.
Make sure and explore the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes.
Find us online at ingles-markets.com. We'll see you next time.